Go. February 2023 high temperatures. We hit 81 degrees today. It hasn't populated on our map yet, but 13 days so far this month of above normal, and we've only seen about 7 days of below normal temperatures. It's a quiet night. It is a windy night across East Texas. We've got partly to mostly cloudy skies right now. We're at 73 degrees. Look at that wind, south-southwest at about 15. That's about where it's going to stay for the remainder of the night. 60s and 70s, folks. Our average high temperature for this time of year is 63 degrees. We're still beyond that. It's past 10 o'clock in the evening, and that's very unusual for this time of year. But again, it does happen in East Texas, especially when we have some moisture and some wind that continues to flow into the area. But there are your winds. In the yellows, that's where the strongest wind gusts are being reported right now, and that will continue to be the case for the remainder of the night. We're probably sustained between about 10 and 20 mile per hour winds out of the southwest. Low temperature will be at about 65 degrees, and then as we head into tomorrow, we're partly to mostly cloudy for most of the day, but I do anticipate that we will see more sunshine tomorrow than what we saw today. What does more sunshine lead to, though? Slightly warmer temperatures. So if you are not a fan of the 80-degree temperatures in February, I'm sorry, you're probably going to have it for at least the next couple of days and then again this weekend. All right, let's get a wide view. Area of high pressure is just off the coast of Florida right now. We are on the west side of that area of high pressure, so we're seeing those southwesterly winds as a result. One disturbance is over the Midwest right now, and we've got another disturbance starting to move in from Canada. That's going to be our next weather maker that will bring us the chance of some showers as we move into your Wednesday, maybe even a storm or two as well. So here's Futurecast. We continue to see a few clouds. This is 9 o'clock in the morning, and then heading into tomorrow evening about 9 o'clock, we'll start to see more clouds, a few breaks out to our west. I think our best chance of rain this week will be on Wednesday, but it's not a washout, and I do not expect widespread severe weather. Look off to the northwest. A line of storms tries to form. It doesn't have much success here in East Texas. That being said, we'll still see those chances of rain through at least 1 o'clock Wednesday, but as quickly as it moved in, it will move out into parts of Louisiana and Arkansas. Could still be seeing some drizzle for Wednesday night into Thursday, but will ultimately dry out Thursday and Friday when we'll start to see slightly cooler temperatures. Here's the severe weather outlook. Central northern counties under a level 1 marginal risk of severe weather. That means gusty winds, maybe some small hail. So I do want you to remain weather aware on Wednesday rather. But as we head into next week, meaning February 26th to March 2nd, ending the month of February, I do think we'll have decent rain chances next Monday, and we're also going to have above normal temperatures. But look at all that blue. That's where our below normal temperatures are, so don't count that out just yet. We get one of those upper level storm systems that moves in, our temperatures will drop like a rock, and we could be in for a March freeze. That's not in the forecast right now, but it probably will be at some point in early March, so do not get complacent with that. Here are the next 7 days. 80s Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll hit 74 Thursday, 63 Friday, 77 Saturday. Next decent chance of rain will be early next week. And deep East Texas, similar trend. High temperatures well into the 80s over the next 2 days. We'll get a little break Thursday and Friday, but right back into the 80s Saturday and